Hello, family and friends. It's Dale Crone Dances. Hope everybody's well. Um, I have a 38 to 40 mm natural yellow cat's eye spear that I won an auction, and let's see, I won this for $2.25 on eBay. The seller for this piece is ZUOYEKULE 23. Try to hold it up here. It comes with a stand. Hopefully you're picking this up okay. It does have a beautiful cat's eye in it on both sides. Just trying to turn it for you. Okay, and it comes with a little stand. And I'm very happy with this piece. I know when I took it out of its packaging and I held it for a bit and touched it with my thumb and another finger, I was holding it up. Where I was touching it, it turned brown. Now, I don't know what that means or entails, but I did notice that it did go away. I was a little bit surprised at that, and I don't know what caused it. But yeah, that's the stone. Now, we're going to talk about some of the metaphysicals of the cat's eye, and this is a disclaimer that I'm going to put right up front. I am not saying that this will heal or cure any illnesses or diseases. If you have any physical problems, you need to see your medical doctor. I do not endorse that or ensure that this will perform any magical properties or such, so of any kind. I'm just letting you know the properties, some of the properties. There's a lot of properties to it. In the old days, it was used as an amulet for protection against witchcraft. People would carry it in their pouch, their mojo bag or medicine bag or whatever they used, and it was against also was against death, as it's used as a amulet against witchcraft and death. For the chakra, it grounds the solar plexus. It's got a vibration level of 6, and its zodiac is Leo. Also works with Capricorn, Taurus, and Aries. Yes, I have notes, because I would never remember a bit of this. It's good with determination, strength, moral courage, tenacity, vigor, self-control, resolve, intelligence, and knowledge, amongst a few. It's good for grounding and healing. It's supposed to dispel unwanted energies from the aura. It's to protect the wearer from evil spirits, and it's to protect the wearer from all kinds of misfortune. It's known to treat eye disorders, and it's supposed to help improve night vision. It's supposed to relieve headaches, facial and sciatic pain, aids the nervous system and the associated pains with it. It's supposed to help heal kidneys, pancreas, liver, the lymph nodes, the spleen, and issues associated with leukemia, heart trouble, hemorrhage, cures chronic and incurable diseases. It's supposed to induce positive thoughts and to promote tolerance and harmony. These are just a few of the mystical qualities this stone has to offer. So that's just a little brief rundown on it. There's a lot of other things that it does, but you use it at your own risk, and you use it what works for you, what you want it to work for. I'm not quite sure when I brought the stone what I really wanted it for. It's just, I liked the energy when I came across it. Even though it was online, I was still able to pick up. And I would say probably my most pertinent for myself personally is healing, although I do have another stone for that. But this can also assist. They can work together. And I would probably also want it for like its strength and vigor and stamina and eyesight. So, but it's a beautiful stone, it's a beautiful piece, and I just wanted to share this with you. I have others to come, but I'll do each one individual, and I have more that haven't gotten here. I had done a pretty good sized metaphysical haul in stones. This is the first one I'm doing, and it's my beautiful, and these come in many colors too. They say that the golden colors that come off from it is associated with wealth. But I have yellow, mine is yellow, and this is the one I picked, and I thought it was a very pretty stone. I really am satisfied with it. So just wanted to show you guys my new stone, my cat's eye. Later.